मैं भवानी पालीवाल गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज उदयपुर। आज का टॉपिक है आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टर्स। सब्जेक्ट कोड 109, ई प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 4। दिस इज द प्रिंटेड सर्किट एज कनेक्टर. This one is also printed circuit edge connector. Coaxial connector. These are the coaxial connectors. This one is also BNC. BNC it means bio nut connector. This is used for CRO. This is the cable connector. This is the coaxial cable. This is a coaxial cable with connector. How to joint coaxial cable with connectors. Tape and ribbon connector. This is the pen and ribbon connector which is used to interface one device to another device. This is also a ribbon connector. This is also a paper and ribbon connector. This is also a paper and ribbon connector. Again. This is also a paper and ribbon connector. This cable is used for interfacing one devices to another device. This is also a paper connectors. Plug and socket connector. These are the 5-pin socket connectors जिसकी रेटिंग है 5 एम्पियर. This is the power plug and power cable. Green is indicate for earth, red is indicate for phase, and black is indicate to neutral. This is the current rating of this plug is 15 ampere. This is the inside wiring diagram of power plug. This plug is used for industrial purpose. USB connector. This is the USB connector which connect one devices to another devices for charging laptop, mobile, etc. Desktop also. Type C connector. Type C connector both are used to reversible connect in any devices. Type B micro device. This is used for single side. USB 3.0 blue. This is the A type, B type micro and B type. Power connectors. This rating is 5 to 15 ampere. This is the male connector and this is the female connector. These are the power connector of male and female. This is also a power connector which is used in desktop CPU. Radio frequency connector. These are the radio frequency connector. Such type of connector used for radio frequency. Demonstration kit of connector. This board is consists various type of connectors for demonstration purpose. This is also a demonstration kit for connectors. Thank you. This was presented by Bhavani Paliwal, GPC Udaipur.